You don't know. Bad man.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been going for about 3 months. My last video was about 3-4 months ago, I want to believe. Life happens. Laziness got in the way a lot of times. I was not motivated. I just wanted to come up here and give you guys a quick life update to let you know what was going on. I have a 9 to 5 that I do. I don't just do content creating. This I do for fun. This keeps me sane. I had plans to come up with some awesome looks for you guys. But yeah, life happens and my job was a bit busy at the time and I was extremely exhausted to even think about creating content. It's just a matter of work and then going to bed. That was my life for a few weeks, for a couple months. There are some lazy days, sometimes you get caught up watching a show and it's always okay. After that after the next episode I'm gonna go, okay, maybe in the next hour, okay, maybe in the next 2 hours, okay, we'll do it later on this evening. And then that turned into night, and then it turns into, okay, maybe tomorrow. You get up first thing in the morning and get it done, and then it just continues and the circle just happens over and over and over again. So that's what happened with me. A little bit of life, a little bit of laziness, I'm not gonna lie. Then November into December, I developed a pinched nerve in my neck. That lasted a while. It was very painful. I couldn't really turn. I was like a robot, basically. It was so annoying. So it was kind of hard for me to turn and stuff without feeling it. So that took a few weeks. So I can come in here and create content how I wanted to because this was so painful. So coming closer to Christmas, I decided to go to urgent care to get that taken care of because it started to be a problem when it was time for driving. Especially I couldn't look over my blind side because it's on my left side. So I went to the urgent care and I got turned away from multiple urgent cares that day because of our current situation. The urgent cares were all packed, they were all overwhelmed, so I went to the emergency room. The emergency room told me I had to wait about 5-6 hours to see a doctor because COVID-like patients come first. So what? My situation isn't urgent enough. I mean, I was highly disappointed in our healthcare system because it's like the non-COVID patients is like, we just have to take a back burner. I mean, I hated that. Anyway, that's a story for next day. Got that taken care of, and within 2-3 days, the girl got sick. So I had a cold. I had a miserable New Year. I can't even tell you when it was midnight because I was just flat in bed. I was sick all the way through. I didn't return to work until about the 12th of January. And I'm still dealing with some lingering side effects from that flu. I mean, I am still so tired. So I've tried to come in here to create content, and when I'm sitting here, it just felt like a job. I felt so exhausted. So I just had to go back in bed, and I was so sluggish. So that took a while to go away. And today's the first day. It just felt good to come in here. Today is January 29th. And I'm here serving you guys this look. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick just to see how you guys were doing and to say thank you for sticking by me and not unsubscribing. But I just want to say that I appreciate each and every one of you for taking time to watch my videos. And I just want, before I jump back in to creating makeup content, I just really wanted to give you guys a quick update on what has been going on and where I have been for the past couple months. I know it hasn't been that long, but to me, my goal was to at least get at least one video up a week, but that's not going to work. I want to work harder, see if I could get multiple videos up a week. We'll see how that goes because I applaud content creators out there who do this full time because this is hard to juggle life and to be consistent on your channel. So I applaud all you guys who do this for a living. It's a struggle for me. So with that being said, like I said before, I just wanted to hop on here, just give you guys a quick update before just jumping back into makeup. Just thought I owed you guys an explanation and just to be a bit more transparent with you guys. So thanks again for watching, and the next video will be a tutorial on this look. It's easy to follow, so I would see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Take care and stay safe. Bye guys.